them to the judges. Tomorrow morning judges will come by 9 o'clock. Already they are submitted.
These are called three-dimensional objects. Objects which are length, breadth and height or thickness are called three-dimensional objects. These are permanent eight. These are permanent eight which are made, and these are temporary eight which are made of cardboard and charts. And these are eco-friendly which are made with mud. Here. Now let me tell you about a cuboid. A solid having 4 little surfaces, base and top in rectangular shape is called a cuboid. It is having 6 surfaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is having 6 surfaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 8 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 12 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now let me tell you about a cone. A solid having a circular base and curved surface with apex pointed is called a cone. It is having 2 surfaces. One is curved and one is plain, and one edge and one vertex. Now let me tell you about a cylinder. A solid having a curved surface with base and top in circular shape is called a cylinder. It is having 2 edges, 1 and 2 and 3 surfaces, 1, 2 and 3. One is curved and 2 are plain and no vertices. Now let me tell you about a pyramid. A solid having a square shape as base and 4 triangles as its lateral surfaces is called a pyramid. It is having 5 surfaces, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 5 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 8 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now let me tell you about a prism. A solid having 3 rectangles and 2 triangles at the side is called a prism. It is having 6 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 5 surfaces, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 9 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now let me tell you about a cube. A solid formed by 6 square plane surfaces is called a cube. It is having 6 surfaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 8 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 12 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. In architecture also 3-dimensional objects are used, like a cuboid is used for pillars and cylinder is also used for pillars, etc. Now let me tell you how to make 2D objects into 3D objects. This is 2D object, and now I am preparing a 3D object. First take cardboard and cut 4 rectangles and 2 squares and arrange the rectangles in such a way that every edge of each rectangular piece completely coincides with each other. And now a cuboid is formed. Now let me tell you about a cube. This is a 2D object now. Now I will make it into 3D. Take a cardboard and cut 6 squares of conventional length and arrange them so that every side of the square is joining with every square like this. And if you join them all like this, a cube is formed. Now let me tell you about a prism. Take a cardboard and cut 3 rectangles and 2 triangles and arrange the rectangles like this so that every edge of the rectangle is joining with another rectangle, and join two triangles at the side. Now you can see that a prism is formed. Now let me tell you about a cone. Take a circle and cut out the minor sector of the circle, and write the middle point as O and remaining 2 points as A and B. And now join AO and OB like this. A cone is formed. Now let me tell you about a pyramid. Take a cardboard and cut one square piece and 4 triangles, and arrange the triangles on every side of the square so that every side of the square is covered with the triangles, and join all the triangles at one point like this so that they meet at a point. And now you can see that a pyramid has formed. And if you assume that this point as E, and from this point E to the middle point O is called as vertical height, and from here to here is called as slant height. Now let me tell you about a cylinder. Take a cardboard and cut one rectangular piece and mark it as A, B, C and D. And if we join it and if we make it a round 4 like this, we can see that if we fold it like this, a cylinder is formed. And take 2 circles and arrange one on the top and another one in the base. You can see that a cylinder is formed. Best example prism is signboard, roof of a house, etc.